Good morning and welcome back to Coop. This morning I was getting ready to shoot some content, so I thought you might like to get ready along with me. Thanks for watching. It's a beautiful morning and I was excited about getting my hair all cleaned up. I did a video on how I keep my hair white and all of the products that I use, so I will link that video down below. But as we go through, I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner and a little chi, a little anti-breakage spray. And I do let my hair air dry for a little while before blow drying it on medium heat. And so this is me just giving it a good blow dry after letting it air dry some. So it really doesn't take me long to blow dry my hair. Another thing that you may notice is I am in need badly of a trim. So that is something that I will get out and do this month. Another thing you might notice is that my hair is broken in the front. And this came from but it was a lot more broken than it is now. This came from a stylist that was using heat tools on my hair, and I talked in my other video about how using heat tools on my hair does not really work that well. And so I don't use flat irons. I don't use things like that on my hair because it does break my hair. But since that time, I have been like growing my hair back, and I can really see the progress in its growth. So I use the heat of the blow dryer, a little bit of a wax stick, and that really helps me get my hair soft because we talked about how white hair can be wiry, and it just helps me to lay it down and make it smooth. And so now I'm just doing a bit of skincare. You know, my mother always taught me whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck, you do to your hands, and to your décolletage, you know, if you're able. And now I'm adding a little brow gel. My eyebrows are microbladed, but I have very, very thin, very little tiny eyebrows, which is why I got the microblading done in the first place. And the brow gel just helps to keep my eyebrows in place. So I put on a little bit of primer and a little bit of foundation. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, which I really, really love. And a little bit of Born This Way highlighter, and just highlighting and shaping my face. Boy, I think I was really tired because my bags are really, really, really bagging. But we go on, don't we? I got a little bit of foundation into my eyebrows, so I just put it on a little bit more brow gel to clean those off a bit. And now I'm just using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I like using the puff to apply it, and then I will just follow that up with brushing that in. And it just gives a really smooth effect, and I really love it. And a little blush today. I like to be glowing. I was thinking about whether or not I should put on some eyeshadow, and I decided against it this day. So I'm just putting on a little lip balm because I know I'm going to be using either a red or burgundy lipstick, applying my lashes, and putting on my Hermes lipstick, which I really love the shade. And as you can see, my hair got smooth because I used the power of the heat of the blow dryer along with, you know, just the smoothing nature of the scarf, and just smoothed my hair right on out. And that's really all I do. Thanks for watching.